Dean Cameron, Workforce Advisory, and today we're having a look at a recent federal court action dealing with flags on construction sites. The article that we've produced, and the articles that have been produced by many other people, address this very recent court case to deal with the federal court. The case is not actually an ABCC case. It's actually a LendLease case, and it was LendLease approaching the court for an interpretation of the building code, or a section of the building code, to deal with flags and other material, union material, on construction sites. This is not about small things such as a sticker on your hard hat or a sticker on your toolbox, okay? This is about posters that were in a lunchroom or other flags or materials attached to the building site or the actual construction site. And the code requires that builders who have voluntarily agreed to the code because they wish to tender on federal or Commonwealth funded works comply with the code. And part of that compliant rights is ensuring that these flags or other material identifying that could be misinterpreted in relation to freedom of association are not attached to the building or are not on the clothing that the builder supplies or are not attached elsewhere on the construction site. So individual workers are free to come with logos and shirts and all those sorts of things. Individual workers are free to have their tools with logos or shirts or stickers. Individual workers are not restricted. The code doesn't apply to unions. The code does not apply to individuals. The code is a voluntary code or a tendering code that only applies to the builder and the builder's property. Please have a read of the article. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Dean Cameron, Workforce Advisory.